Happy to assist you in any way we can. 대한항공에 탑승해주신 손님 여러분, 환영합니다. 꼭 드시기 바랍니다. 협조를 부탁드립니다.
Good morning, guys. We're here again at Terminal 3. We're going to Korea again because we're watching Mommy's Boys in Busan. We got lucky to get those tickets. I think ako day 1. Ano? Ikaw day 1? Ikaw day 1? Ako day 2. Oh, no, you are 1 and 2. Ako 2. Parang ganon. Basta ganon. So anyway, this is a red-eye flight and this is the first time I got asked na mali yung travel authority ko because the date in my travel authority is the date I'm going to fly. So ang expected niya na nasa travel authority ko is the date na pumasok ako sa immigration, which is today na 10. Pero for the longest time, hindi ako nasasabihan ng ganun. Kasi yun naman talaga yung flight ko. I'll be flying out of the Philippines on 11. Pero, syempre, dadating ako dito ng June 10. Kasi, that's 4 hours before the flight. And the flight is 12 midnight ng June 11. I don't know if I'm making sense. Pero first time ko yun narinig sa buong buhay ko. Kasi I've been taking red-eye flights ever since. So anyway, if you know the answer, kung meron mang nakakaalam dyan sa mga friends kung 23 piraso, sabihan nyo ako. Or maybe I'll just email immigration to personally ask kung ano ba talaga yung policy na ganun. Kasi kung pipilitin kong maging June 10 yun, ibig sabihin mag-leave na ako ng June 10 kahit di ba ako lilipad. So tanungin naman ng kumpanya ko, June 10 ka ba talaga aalis? Pati 11 nandito. Anyway, yon. First time ko masabihan ng ganun. So, since ito nga ay concert, mahal yung mga tickets, kaya dalawa lang kami ni Mami dito sa Cebu Pacific. Kasi si Angel, yung visa niya, late na dumating. Kanina lang niya nalaman na sa Terminal 1 pala ang flight niya. So we parked here, and then nag-take siya ng Grab to Terminal 1. First time niya doon, unfortunately, hindi ko pa pala nababayaran yung travel tax. So hinanap niya paano. At ang galing ng Tieza, pwede pala sa eGov magbayad ng travel tax ng GCash. O, di ba? Nalaman niya yon, kami hindi namin nalaman. So, nag-credit card kami. Pero bakit yung credit card payment ng TESA may additional fee? Di ba bawal yun? Sabi ng DTI, bawal magkaroon ng additional fee. Anyway, hintayin natin yung flight. Kailangan namin late kami kasi ang binuko talaga is 2 a.m. Tapos nalipat ng 12 and 9:30 kami nasa kotse. So, nahagard ako. Buti nakita kami agad ng parking. Love talaga ako ni Lord. Okay, so I'll take you with us as we go to Busan. It's our first time in Busan pala. So what we're going to do is we go to Incheon and then we take a bus to get to KTX, and then KTX for 4 hours and then Busan. Tapos hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin kasi I've been sick for mga 2-3 days, so hindi ko alam kung ano yung ginawang itinerary ni Angel. So ayan, I'll take you with me to the uncertainty of this travel. Let's go! Ang dami naka-violet. Hey! The journey of a retired army starts now. Regular Cebu Pacific flight. Meanwhile, hi guys, we're here in McDonald's in Seoul Station from Incheon Airport. Parang yan na yun, wrap Burger, ano, yes. Timsam nida. Okay, kain muna tayo, na distract ako. Ah, that's the chicken wrap pala. Only ano mo, for sizing, for scale. Oh my gosh, ang liit. Okay, chicken wrap. Shanghai chicken wrap. Then this is churros. Hi friends, just got on the train to Busan. Wala man zombie so far. This is the first class cabin. Maluwang siya. Actually, pwede mo pang ilagay yung maleta mo sa harap, but I don't know if it's allowed. Kasi lahat ng tao naglagay dun sa lagayan. So may mga train na in between dun lang pwedeng maglagay ng mga maleta. We are on the train to Busan. It's from Seoul Station to Busan. This is cabin 4 of the business class. Parang ganun. So, spacious naman siya. Ito si Mami. Yan siya. Oh, first scale. Oh, naka-spread yung kanyang legs. Yan. Oh, diba? Mahaba siya. Hindi nga namin alam kung pwede maglagay ng maleta dito. Pero mukhang hindi. Kasi nilagay nila lahat dun sa may spare na space for luggages. So, kung medyo weakling ka, kailangan mauna kang pumasok kasi hindi mo maangat yung maleta mo dun sa pinakamataas na level ng storage space. This is a 2.5 hour ride. So, we will try to finish the itinerary. Goodbye. Okay, may biniling tattoo. Wow, that looks nice. So, try natin. Feeling ko naman pwede kumain. Sige. What are your thoughts? Okay. Sharp. Sharp lang. Ano? Chop.
Buttery.
Watery. We just landed. And there's this installation. No ticket needed. Ah, you have to leave your things. Oh, it's all merch daw. Oh, what is that? Ah, parang palawit. Yeah.
Willing to go.
No, not willing to buo. Maybe mommy, but not me. O, tingnan mo. Meron na siya agad gusto.
Limited to 1,000 only. What's all that?
Okay, we go by. Pogi naman ito mga to. Alam kaya nila pati Rubik's Cube, nilagay na sila doon. Yours na si pitong kompleto. Binuo ko yan. Kaya mo hawakan. We are in Busan Station and we found this from a friend. Hi, Ate Beng. Exit 7 and then go down sa ground. Tapos parang hindi ko alam kung anong meron sa loob, so we don't know what to expect. Pero feeling namin may mga activities na parang festa. And we're lining up na hindi ko alam kung sobrang haba or maikli or sakto lang. Pero anyway, nandito naman na tayo. Dito nagmamadalo at activity for today. So let's queue. Let's go! Hello! Hey! Welcome to BTS The City Army Round. Okay, so the task is to go around and get stamps, and then after you can join the like a raffle and then send a message to BTS. Okay, so I think this is the photo zone. Is this the photo zone? Yeah, it's a stage zone.
Hello. 안녕하세요. 이러세요. 이동동.
Wow.
2, 3, 기록. 감사합니다. 웰컴 투 미션.
You heard about the game?
Hey, this is for you, and this place is highly recommended.
I'm type A.
Type A, but there is no type A paper, so you can choose one.
Alright, just B.
Okay, thank you. Recommended places in Busan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright.
You're not so much left,
Thank you po. Parang ayoko na magsulat, manood na lang oh. So this is called the stage zone. So you listen and then you write BTS a message. Tagalogin ko kaya. Tignan natin kung maintindihan nyo yung Tagalog talaga. Go, set!
Favorite mo? 2.0.
Write your song.
2.0. Happy.
My song is... nagsusulat ng message sa BTS na akala mo BTS Army talaga siya. Stamp. Okay. The second stop was a videoke machine. Ayaw na natin kumanta. So, pumayag naman sila na wag nang magpakanta. Ini stamp pa.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice! Nice! I'm done with all the stamps, and after all this shenanigan, you get one of that, and then all the food over there. Oh, eh. Yeah. And it is
Board. You can choose one drink.
one drink. Okay. I get one drink. Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Okay, it's the pinakadulong kwarto. Okay. Let's try. Oh. Hey. Oh, it's a small room. Ah, my upstairs. Oh. Nice. Cutie.
Queen siguro nasa taas.
Oo.
Siyempre dito.
Okay, may banyo.
Kuya Crossway.
We are looking for a dinner place. We are walking around the area of Hyundai here in Busan. Oh, yan. May mga ganyan siyang itsurahan. Okay, tingnan natin yung sinuggest. Ah. Okay. Para siyang isang maliit na Seoul. Ah. Yeah, maliit na Seoul. Na parang may pagkapasay. May pagkapasay. Kasi madaming parking na graba. Okay. So, let's walk around. Let's look for a place to eat. Late na kami nakabalik kasi parang festa, maliit na festa na something installed in Busan Station. Yun, medyo mahaba-haba yung pila. Pero carry lang, let's indulge. That's the reason for this trip anyway. Yan sila. And that's what the street looks like. If you're wondering about the weather is cardiganish na bearable. Pero pag wala kang jacket, parang hindi pang Filipino weather. I'm looking for a samgyup place. Look at that. Hey, Army. Oh, okay.
Please also marinated one. This one, there is
like our first decent meal of the day which is about to end na. Okay. Wala siya masyadong mga like cheese, ganun-ganon, no? Mga sauce. Yeah, I ordered corn. Pero yun lang yung meron sa orderan. Eh, parang wala naman ng iba. Sarap! Good morning, Busan. This is Mommy's sound check day. Fit check habang di pa nag-concert, pants and just sweatshirt. Wala kaming concert today. So, kami ang iikot. Pero wala nang train na available hanggang June 15. So, ewan ko kung anong gagawin namin today. Let's go! Breakfast muna. Yes, let's go! Oh, fit check niya, oh. Oh, fit check ni Mami. Squid ink pie? It says squid ink pie. Wow, so bango. Good morning, Busan. Ito nga, malaki. Oh, there's more stairs. Why don't you look at that? It says it's a Busan something. And this is also a Busan something. It's a red bean, ano. Tapos may limit siya per person. So, kailangan damihan natin. Ibig sabihin masarap. That's a Biscoff cookie. and I forgot what that is, and the cheese something. Let's go breakfast. Wala pa yung coffee. Masarap. Dinalaw. Sarap. May corn, may cheese. Sarap. Lambot. Ito din malambot. Hey, what's up? Sa mapa. Asan tayo? Ticket box, sponsor booth, Busan promotion booth, information. Official merchandise booth. It says number 1. Number 1 is where? So you are here. Here. So we go that way. Pag ganun. Kasi itong square na to. Itong square na to, yan yung merch. Iswim. Bilis ma-sold out ng merch. Grabe namang ang daming pera naman talaga ng mga fans nyo. Ganito yung vibe ng Taylor Swift. Tao yun yung gusto. May marinig lang na konti, naghihihiyaw na. Kung ayaw nyo umitim, this is not for you. Long sleeves pa yan, no? There's a separate pila for reverse pickup. Kaso laging nafu-full. Pagkabukas ng 10 nung app, sold out na siya. Ito na, pick up na rin tayo ng mga libre galing sa mga arming Pilipino. Habang pagod siya, what does your VIP kit include? It's a... Can you show me? Okay, for today. Pawis na pawis siya mga beef. It's a keep swimming bag. Ganda ng kit
This one.
Pool patch. Kasi maginit. Taray ng pawis. Sige.
I think these are photos.
Okay, next.
Laneige.
Lanyard. Okay.
Keep swimming.
Uy, wow! Cute. Okay.
Umbrella.
Ay, wow! May payong in Fairview.
Don't know
Okay.
what this is.
So, what is it? Walang hint? Okay.
There.
That's something.
Dun.
Okay.
That's it.
Pumunta siya mag-isa. Pulang-pula na siya sa init. She survived. Okay, bye! Sending your kid off to school. There they go. Nice. We would like to thank ChatGPT for giving us this location as our lunch place. Iba yung language. I mean, iba yung font. Hindi siya English. So, lakad-lakad lang kami. Tapos, nakita nyo kanina, lalagay lang doon. Walang kailangan kausap. Bayad na siya. So, today is Mommy's sound check. Nilagak na namin siya. Shoutout kay Marie. Si Marie ang kasama ni Mommy sa pagpunta sa kanyang sound check area. Hinatid naman siya, may mga photo pang sinend. Wala kasing kasama yun. Medyo naaalangan kami dahil lagi siya nawawala. Pero anyway, I think, hopefully, kaya naman na niya makabalik. Kain muna tayo. Galing kaming Olive Young. Naghahanap ng mga Pokemon na mga items. Bahala na kung ano yung mga yon. Importante, Pokemon sila. Tapos pumunta din tayo sa parang sa toy store, yung stadium. Giants, yeah. So ang ganda talaga dito sa Korea. Parang hindi siya nakakasawa. Sana maging ganito rin yung Pilipinas. Like in the near future, not far future. Sarap! Sarap maglakad, sarap kumain. Kasi maayos naman tayo mag-English. I mean, if we were placed here in this place, I feel like mas progressive kasi mas kaya natin mag-communicate. Rough night, eh? What can you say?
We're going to Shinjuku
Why?
because we're gay.
Because we're gay?
Come on now, let's explore this beautiful wonderland. 11 floors worth of wonderfulness. Let's go. Shinjuku. Said to be a Guinness Book of World Records that holds the largest mall in the world. Let's go! Let's go na.
We finally found the BTS pop-up in Shinjuku. Hindi ko alam kung pwede yung pumasok. Ah, there's merch! Oh, there's merch.
For those who reserve.
Ah, for those who reserve? Do you wanna try? Let's go. Let's go walk in. Okay. Wala. Sawi. Walang reserved slots. I mean, walang available slots. It's all reserved. So, we go down B2 and look for like what else is in store for us in terms of BTS's Arirang album this day. Let's try. I will just look. Look who found what she likes on sale. Kilala mo naman lahat eh. Pero wala tayo sa Japan eh. Korea to be. Oh, dito dami oh. Eh, that depends on what you want it to look like. Oh, dami dito. Unfortunately, sarado na daw siya. The service is finished, sabi. Dito lahat. May print lang sa shirt. May mga patches. Oh. Ito yung mga dinadamot sa Pilipinas. Isang ganto lang sa isang shirt. Pinapila. Tapos, pwede naman palang hindi pumila. Hinagod pa nila. There, oh. But the service is finished. Sad. Uuwi ng Pilipinas yan. Oh. What is that? How much is that in peso? 4,000? Tapos ganyan kalaki? Oh, wow.
Si unicorn.
What do we do now?
It's fine. Silang dalawa na lang yung big sold out.
Ay, ganun ba? So, ibig mo bang sabihin, dalawa yung bibilin mo?
Hindi, isa lang.
Okay.
Kumuha lang naman siya.
Ah, okay.
Short nito.
It's a lata.
Short a lot.
So, we're gonna get it. Whatever's inside.
You want this?
Bulol. Can you open? Show me. Yeah, we can. There. Ayaw niya na. Ayaw niya na. Bibigyan niya sana ng BTS na tag si ate. Dined mo siya. So, we're walking along the road. Nahanap namin yung parang sand na BTS na yon. Nahamon na ata tayo ng video okay dito. Oh. Oh, that's an amphitheater. Gosh, nasa beach ka talaga, like literal, pero ang ginaw. Not like the beaches we're used to where it's always hot and humid. What's huge? So, pwede ka mag-showcase ng iyong talent. Because this area is really for that. Nice. Sobrang laki pala ng installation na to. Amazing. Like the effort put into this. Oh. Oh, sand. A foreigner's land sand. No, not a foreigner. A foreign country's land sand. Korea Housing Finance Corporation. Oh, pag-ibig yan, ganun. Sa pag-ibig. You might want to do this also to promote housing. Oh, what is that? What does that mean? Tore ng mga building. Paano yan na-drawing ng ganyan, oh? Oh, paano yan na-box-boxan ng ganyan? Ni-spray-spray. Ang taas nito, ah. Di ba ito naguguho? May erosion, ganon. So it says, the sculpture presents the distinctive exterior of the Busan Opera House, scheduled to open in 2027 alongside the dazzling costumes and passionate dance movements of the opera Carmen, creating an almost lifelike sense of motion. Galing. Oh. It's Shinsegae. I support. Ooh, thank you for the 11 floors of wonderfulness. That's amazing. Paano nagtayo ng tao na sand? How did you do that? Is that popsicle stick? Is that Lego? That's cool beans. What? Tapos merong ganun dun, oh. Oh, na hindi hinahangin. Hala, ang lupit. Oh, ano, paano yan nangyari? Sige. Oh, paano ginawa yan? It's cool. Oh, look. That's amazing. I didn't know you can do this with sand. Cool. This one, like, inspires you to vote. Diba? Nice. Galing nila. This one says, I can't read it. Hopefully you can. And that huge one, puntahan natin, mas malapit. So, every concert, si Mami nagpapagawa siya ng bag tags. So, binibigyan niya kami. And our task is to always give it away to armies. We look for people na feeling namin makaka-appreciate, and that's what Angel's doing right now. Kasi meron kaming 50 per day na allotment. Ganun kalapit yung effort ng nanay ko dito. Oh, 'di ba?
Istorbohin pa niya yan, nagpipicture pa, istorbohin niya yan, Cute. Next time, lalagay na natin yung YouTube channel. Wow! Tsaka wala kasing parang Philippine flag just to say na Pilipino yung may gawa. Next time, we'll edit the bag tags. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya. Ito yata yung parang pupuntahan mo sa magpipicture-picture. Anyway, it's part of the stamp rally. I stamp rallied myself already. I can't help it. Nagpaan na tayo. Ah, yeah? Okay. Toink. Toink.
Alam mo yung parang may video, tapos may lights, pero wala yung music. Ganito pa yung feeling.
It feels like a longer Myeongdong for the street food. Oh, you look for your favorite? What's your favorite?
Fish.
Fish cake.
Fish cake and fish red bean.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, gusto niyo. Ano na yun?
Oh my gosh, Mom, what's that? Good morning. Concert day. Second full day in Busan. Let's go. OOTD ni Mami. OOTD mo. Yay. Let's go. Lakad tayo papuntang breakfast place with a view. Since wala tayong itinerary because we woke up a little bit late than usual. Yan yung way to the beach. Ito lang yung hotel. Hey! Oh! Malakas. Uy, bacon, egg benedict, sardo. Nice! Good morning! Hey, sleepyhead. Now look at that. There's Mommy. Eggs Benedict, like cozy breakfast. French toast. There you go. Ano dapat pinapakay? Oo nga. nakagawa ng reservation ng waivers pick up si Angel kahapon. Pick up is today. Hopefully mas maayos pero I think mas okay dahil may pila naman na. Late lang kami dumating ngayon kasi wala namang sound check. Kaya ang daming tao around. Pero parang yung mga nag-a-assist nakaka-English na. Kahapon di masyado. Sana walang mga stampede eme. We can't afford that to happen again. Right, mother? Okay, Suga saves the day. Meron tayong paypay. Majinit today. Kung kailan mainit, naiwan ko yung Jisoo Life. But we got Suga. Much faster now versus yesterday. Oh, they do.
Picture tayo.
Okay, we need the whole stadium to jump. We finally entered the stadium after all the commotion. Mas okay sa today, pero sige pa rin. Scary.
뭔가 오늘 여러분들이 더 잘할 수 있지 않을까 하는 저는 그런 생각이 들었습니다. 어떻게 오늘 오신 분들 어제보다 더 잘 볼 수 있어요? 정말요? 소리가 작은데? 그럼 더 크게 소리 질러!
Good morning. We're at the Busan station. But nung nasakyan namin na Uber, so parang mga nasa 30 minutes na kami nagtatry mag-book. Tapos all of a sudden nakabook ako. Tapos pinagkasya niya yung mga maleta namin. We have 3 medium luggages and 2 small luggages. Parang saktong laki lang naman yung sasakyan. Tapos ayaw niya kami pagbuhatin, pinagbubuksan niya kami ng pinto. Tapos pasok na kayo, ako na bahala, parang ganun. Ang cute. Tapos the exact hotel where we're staying at is where also Miss Leia Salonga stayed. So I was supposed to ask yung concierge kung pwede ba na angkurin na lang namin na transfer to get here to Busan Station is yung in-house na lang nila na transfer, which is twice the price kasi nga desperado na kami makarating dito. Tapos imbis na papunta ako dun sa counter, natulala ako. Narinig ko yung boses ni Leia Salonga. Tapos di ko alam kung paano ko siya kakausapin. Pero anyway, may small talk naman. Ang cute niya kausap, parang siya, engaging. Tapos parang she's in the moment. Kwento siya ng kwento ng BTS, ng 2 days niyang concert, ganon. Kakatuwa. Ikaw yung mauubusan ng tanong at saka next question. We're actually very early for the train. Pero mas okay kasi hindi namin talaga gamitin. Dahil first time nga namin sa Busan. So we're parang 2 hours early pa. Yung tinapay na nabili namin na red from Shinsegae dahil arirang yung motif nung tinapay. Yun na lang i-breakfast namin ngayon. Pwede na naman kumain sa train tapos may free na water. So, kung di namin maubos, pwede namin dun kainin. Pero look at the situation right now. Yes, antok na antok po ang mga people. Wala sila sa sarili. Diretso na parang mga 2 hours, 3 hours lang yung sleep namin. Tapos diretso na dito. Tapos diretso ng Seoul. Tapos diretso ng shopping. Tapos diretso ng pack ng maleta ulit. Tapos diretso ng train. So ewan ko na kung in the next few days, tulalay na lang kaming ganito. Sa nung concert, medyo loner lang talaga tayo sa section natin. Magkakahiwalay kasi yung seats namin. Akala ko nga parang wala ako makikita kasi 3rd floor na siya. Akala ko langit levels na. Oh, hindi naman. Okay siya. Hindi nga lang siya talaga nagtatranscend sa phone kasi hindi naman same ng mata yun. Pero malinaw, nakikita ko sila. Di ka makakapili kung sino titignan mo kasi ang dami nila nagtatatakbuhan sa kung saan-saan. Tapos hindi mo alam kung manonood ka ba sa TV, manonood ka dun sa 7 tumatakbo. I-video mo ba, kakanta ka ba, sasayaw ka ba, ay sabay-sabay mo siyang gawin. Please give me water. Namnon susiyo. Look. Look, huli ka balbon. Look at that pork. Beef pala. Look at that pork. I'm so excited. Is that what you always make, not this one? Okay. That's so much, huh? Okay. Ay, joke lang. Ay, ako na vegetables. Okay. Pakatok pa lang ako. Okay na. Okay, CR. Tari ko. It's another very unaesthetic vlog. What's up? Ang ating bags, ang bed, tapos yung space na ganito na ginagawa lang namin lagayan ng mga maleta. What we usually do is itong mga to nilalagay doon sa pinakadulo sa mga maleta naka-open. Tada! Olive Younger. Yan, boiling seafood. Uy, bago yung boiling seafood. Oh. Boiling sea. Okay. Myeongdong, touchdown. Our neighborhood, eme. Okay. First order of business ay hindi kape. Kung hindi magpapalit ng grado ng salamin. Gaano ka kadalas sa Korea? Meron ka ng sariling prescription. Dito ka na nagpapapalit. Ayun. So, si Angel nasa taas, si Mami. Ano ba yun? 3 o'clock yung check-in? O, 3 o'clock yung check-in. So, ngayon, nagpapaayos ng salamin. So, what does it look like outside? It's hot. Like hot. Not Philippines kasi mahangin naman. There. Summer. Buti nga hindi ganun kalagkit eh. Not like last year. Last year was super lagkit. Ngayon, sakto lang. Doon sa taas yung testan ng grado. Tayo natin siya. Yung Gimeni. Frameless frame. Parehas ng salamin ni Mami from Gentle Monster. Laki ng coffee ah. Ang laki niya. Yours is lemonade, mine is vanilla latte. It's recommended. Maraming mga hindi available na drinks, pero try natin siya.
May buto pa. Sabon nilagay. Huli ka. Parang lasang vanilla ng McDo. Mas matamis, parang may pag-chocolate. Okay naman siya.